right, so I just want to give a little demo on how to cold start carbureted car. This is for everybody, but a lot of people are used to new cars. We just hit the key, you can go. Yet with a carb and a choke, I don't recommend doing that, and a lot of times it doesn't behave right. So what I usually do is 3 solid pumps. That sets your choke, all your bang bang. There we go. Away we go. This car has such great road manners. It just drives really nice. It's a warm day today. It's pretty happy. Scotty, did you just drop the soap?
I did. I dropped it just for Joey.
You just got a phone with Joey. I don't want to know.
I did.
I'm glad I went next door for that.
I love Joey. He's an amazing guy.
Joey's
he
awesome.
really is.
We love Joey too.
Okay, so.
Our brand new stuff up here, we talked about.
And I'm going to shove it right there.
Of course you are.
E.
Actual size, boys and girls.
Look, and it spins. I guess it gives a new meaning. Sit and spin or crank me up, baby.
Joey's gonna, at least he's gonna have a good laugh when he sees this. I test drove the car earlier.
Yes, and it's
a dream.
Wonderful.
Everything's all welded back up. Everything's solid now.
Okay, so if we do this, watch.
Oh,
you
look,
can hear it.
You can hear that. Yeah.
Hear it?
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. That doesn't move
At all. Nothing.
That's why our parking brake.
So
Because we
and if
finally.
you look,
well, yeah.
I'm going to hold this nice and tight.
The thing goes in the center.
Here.
Well, Scotty, it's.
One's longer, one's shorter.
No.
No, one's longer, one's shorter.
Not so much now, huh?
And you got shit come up on your screen.
Good. I don't really care. So we have the new hardware, which is by your wee-wee, and up here.
It's my wee-wee.
We wanted to make sure that our cable here was working, which you moved it, and it's good.
It's good.
Everything in here is good.
Yep. So we know the front cable is exactly what it's supposed to do. There's no issues.
And we were worried about that. We're
Yeah,
like,
and I'm like,
shit.
oh crap, that's gonna be the one that's bad. Nope. Driver's side, and if you look,
Yep.
it's
Foot
separating.
cock.
Yeah. So
So we're gonna get Joey a set of cables.
yep.
I'm gonna shoot Alan a text. He'll get us set here pretty quick.
So let's get this back together so we can
Get the car out.
Yep.
All right. Well, that's good. So it's not so bad.
No, it's not as bad as I was expecting, but it's still the fact of I feel bad for Joey because it's like every time he turns around, there's something new.
Something else takes a crap.
Yep.
But we found your oil leak is the trans. Remember we discussed that. We didn't want to touch anything on the trans. Well, of course it has new oil in it now, so it's going to leak. But it's not much right now, so not a big deal. But Scotty talked to you. You said, yeah, go ahead, get the cables. So I will have an updated invoice for you in the morning with the cables and the
That can just drag, and
that's fine for now.
Yeah, because we got to take it off
we gotta
anyways.
take it out anyway. So we know what we got going. We discussed it, but yeah, I drove it. Everything else is
Yeah, I mean we got the belts all taken care of. We found
no
all the
more
little
belt
nickel and dime
squeaky.
things. I still cannot believe that tensioner loosened up like that. I'm like, what the?
Oh, you mean on the compressor?
Yeah, it was like I've never seen that happen before. But
Now they're tight.
it's all good. There's no
Tighten
issues.
the
We got
shit
that
out
all
of it.
taken
And
care
I
of.
drove it semi.
Why's it got to be shit?
I don't know. I drove it semi-spiritedly, and it was.
I liked it. I mean, I
It
really
drove perfectly fine. The belts didn't squeal, and I mean, I was driving it.
Yeah.
Nothing. Didn't miss a beat.
Yep.
Stayed cool, even with the air on.
Yeah.
Stayed cool. Driving in traffic, driving around. Cold start's fine now. Gotta let it warm up, Joey.
Yeah.
Which you've already seen that video at this point when you get this one. Because that'll be at the beginning of this. And that's where we're at. So, have a little updated invoice for you tomorrow.
Yep.
For a little bit of our time for like putting the new carb on and all
Oh,
that.
yeah.
All the little billable stuff from when I went to his house to now.
Yeah.
Just little stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Just
But-
little stuff.
On that note, Joey, love you, babe.